Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I have a pack of 1,000,000 pens. I don't know how many there are in here, probably 20 or so. And these are cactus looking pens, so we're gonna check these things out. I'll show you what they look like here. So, if you look at it, it's like a cactus. That one doesn't have the end on it. That's funny. This one here, this is what the cactus looks like here. These are what they look like. So some of them have a little ball on the tip of it, or maybe the balls fell off, but they have different colors. Let's check these things out and see how they write. They look kind of cool. So here we go. We'll aim you down on this piece of paper. Let's see what it looks like. So this, it looks like it's got a little cover over the tip. And it does, it writes good. So, oh, these aren't ballpoint. These are like the other kind of pens, but I think they're all the same color. I don't know, you can tell me if they're different colors. I don't know. So they write really nice. So I think these are all the same color. So yeah, very cool. So that's what these are. These are all the ones, and it comes in a pack of a whole bunch of them. And these are really cool. I like them. So I'm gonna say these are really cool. Thumbs up from me. Very cool. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.